Okay, so I cut the lace and it looks very natural already. Like it really does. All right, so this is the edge control, the orange one. It does leave a white cast sometimes, but I don't too much use it on top. I just use it for my edges underneath, like as a little glue or something. I should use the beeswax that I just bought. That sticks it down really good, just on the ear flaps. I did not use the combs, did I? I did not. Irrelevant. All right, so now, let's see. Okay, so now, yes ma'am, now we're in business. Okay, now the hair is working. At first, I can't lie to you, it was really dry and crusty, especially the ends before I added the Cantu, because I dyed it. I actually bleached it. And sometimes with bleach, you have to make sure you moisturize it a lot. So now the curls are softer and I can still feel almost a difference between these parts, but it's much softer than what it was. It was actually lighter than this, but this is a perfect like honey brown, honey blonde or whatever. See? But girl, I guess. But I guess this is the more affordable hair that's still human that you guys can wear if you just, you know, want some hair changes. You could sew this wig in as well as a sew-in like I do. That really helps with hair growth. And I did not use any types of gels or glues or anything like that, so my edges will be intact underneath here because I just don't believe in God to be nothing. I feel like I got to have my edges. That's what I need. Got to have edges. So this is the hair. It is very thick. This is 3 bundles. No, wait. I'm tripping. It feels like 3 bundles and a closure. Not a closure. Let's get it together. This is a wig with 180% density, and it is thick, honey. It's really thick. It's actually thicker. It's just right now I like for my curls to be like clumped together because as you go for the week, if this is your wash and go, it's going to multiply. Like don't break the combs, don't break the curls out. Just leave them as they are, and then as the week goes, it'll volumize. Now, if you like doing your nightly routine every night, then that's fine. But I don't have time for that. I just, yeah, that's it. So this is some nice, I can tell it is human hair though. This is definitely not synthetic or anything like that. So, and it was able to dye. Now, I will say with a box dye, I tried the box dye. It did not take. It took a little, but not much at all. So you're going to have to bleach this hair or watercolor, whatever. But yeah, All details about the hair will be in the descriptions box. Again, this is the Kinky Curly unit, and I think this is 24 inches. So it's not too long. First of all, why is one side longer? Oh, because I didn't stretch the curls. Okay. That's it for the Kinky curly hair. I actually don't carry this texture. I carry one that's like a little bit looser because I like my curls to be a little looser than this. This is like Kinky curly, which is, I have to be honest, it's way more maintenance than average curly hair. Like, you will have to maintain this hair. You can't just like go to sleep. If anything, I would just wear it in a pineapple and then boom, like you do your natural curly hair. So without further ado, I'm gonna get off your screen. Make sure you guys like this video. Comment below if you like the hair color on me. Please let me know, because I would love to have your feedback. I'm trying new things, new colors. Let me know how you think I did for the hair color, and give me some tips with like hair dyeing and stuff like that. So that's it, and see you guys in my next video, and make sure you check out my previous videos for the giveaway coming up soon. So bye.